I am Malavi from Calicut. The most important aspects of the training program, learning disability training program for me were the assessment and intervention aspects. Shipram ensured that the training program is not a theoretical one, and she was so particular that each one of us make own materials for assessment and intervention. I think this program will benefit everyone dealing with young children, not those from the special education alone. Thank you.
I am Jyotsna R. Nair, doing MEd Special Education from NIPED. I have attended the 1-month learning disability course from Sensible Child, and this is my 4th course which I am attending from Sensible Child. And the course was very interesting with a lot of practical experiences and innovative ideas which ma'am has shared from her own practical experiences. So actually every day now I have become a regular student of you, ma'am, and from past 2 months every day I am with you only. So expecting different set sort of classes from you. Already registered for the upcoming program. Thank you, sir, and thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am.
Hi, I'm Samina Farooq from Al Ain, UAE. I've recently attended Learning Disability online course for 6 weeks. It was interesting, informative and activity-oriented course. I would like to thank Mrs. Shipra Gupta and the entire team of Sensible Child. I would like to recommend those who are working in the school with younger children, this course is really going to be useful for you. Thank you.
Hi, I am Sulaiman. For me, it was a whole new perspective on the problem of learning difficulty. Thoroughly explained from A to Z, practical instructions, very clear presentations and quite motivating interpretations. Thank you for organizing this program.
The learning disability program was very helpful. It is one of a kind with all the resource materials and the psychological aspects involving learning disability, and it was really very helpful regarding the resource materials, solving each and every additional problems associated with them, and the standardized test, informal, non-formal test, and how we can use it was totally explained to us in a very good manner. Thank you so much.
Hello, I am Maneja from Calicut. The training program conducted by Sensible Child is very useful to me because I am working as a special educator in secondary level. Our main duty is to identify and manage the specific talent of disabled children. So, Madam Shipra Gupta give a clear idea about this area and the management area, and I am very thankful to ma'am and the organizer. Thank you.